I just got done repairing this antenna on my drone here, and this is for the video feed, 5.8 gigahertz, and I lost why I wrecked this thing a lot. It goes super freaking fast and high. And I lost this much of the sheath. It was like that much. I soldered it back down. Did a pretty good job. Look at that. Oh yeah, sexy. Look how sexy that's looking, man. And I got extra shrink wrap on there. Hell yeah. Anyway, man, I didn't lose much of that. And that outer layer, that's the shield, if you didn't know. Coaxial cable can go, I think it can have like 100 gigabytes of data across it. And with very minimal data loss. You can send this over long. You can go like 100, I don't know, a lot. You can go far. It's for your, originally for your cable. But I lost just this little bit. You don't know the outer shield of this. This is to protect it from other frequencies interfering with it, resulting in data loss and bad. Well, it's all for internet now, so it'd be bad packets, or your crappy TV reception for you boomers out there. Well, you could also, like a lot of people, twist these up. You could twist two wires, and that would be a dual. It's similar, but you can only run those for 100 short period or for a short distance, But it's kind of got me thinking. There's very little of this was even lost. And I was getting interference. I mean, I got a lot of stuff here. I got 2.4 gigahertz. I got a whole bunch of power going through all these electronic speed controllers, but a lot of extra loss. And from what? Well, from everything, because everything has a frequency. I can't. This is why we have the issues that we have, is because we lack the fundamentals. A lot of people think light is photons and electrons and neutrons. Yeah, okay. That's why, when I'm done making this video, I'm gonna beat my phone. I'm gonna tap all those dirty photons and electrons out of my camera. That way I can use it again. But no, that's not what's going on there. Here, you know what? Hold on. Let me pause this. This is a Royal Rife machine. Royal Rife was a guy, and last time I checked, these were illegal. But man, if I had $5,000, I'd buy this one right here. All Rife machine frequency, all frequencies. Most powerful frequency machine for $5,000. Royal Rife discovered that everything had a frequency, and his idea in medicine was to take that frequency and you find the mortality rate of that frequency, and then you zap it with this damn GB 4000 MOPA frequency machine here. He almost took down a skyscraper in his little science lab or whatever, because he found the frequency of the building or something of the earth. It's a doomsday device, man. And okay, it's like a swing. You find that frequency, and it, swing, you just a little bit of energy, but you keep pushing, and then all of a sudden, and then the whole block's shaking, and the FBI shows up to your lab. Well, you do it on a smaller scale. You find the frequency of, I don't know, let's say cancer. Zap it. Okay, kind of like the idea of how we kill it with chemo. It can be killed, right? Frequencies can kill you, and everything is a frequency. Actually, you know what? I remember this was on Mythbusters once, and they took a little weight on a bridge. They found the frequency of the bridge, and he stopped the experiment a minute in or something, because he freaked out, because on the other side of the bridge, he was feeling this 3-pound weight shake the bridge. So maybe Mythbusters wasn't completely pointless. But anyway, it just goes to show that there's very little we know. So anyway, have a good day.